Really? I ran out of leadership already. Wow. Oh, come on. I should spawn Doron early. I should spawn Doron early. Man, I should spawn Doron early. And yeah, unlock. Nope, nope. Oh, I hate, dude. Hate. That hate. Man, I hate, dude. I hate dealing it normally. Fine. Yeah, this thing immune to weaken. Come on. Yeah, this thing immune to weaken. And also immune to freeze. And we dead because of the raging gory. And we dead because of the raging gory push. I remember reading this level and it was so ass. I remember reading this level and this was so ass. Man, this level was so disgusting. Man, this level was, yeah, it was so disgusting. And this has the last knockback already. And it's in the last knockback already. And there we go. Loser's dead. Okay. Okay. Ape Lord Revenge. Well, I might bring Research Combo. I should bring Research Combo. Well, it doesn't look easy as you thought. It's how funny, dude. I don't. It's how funny. I don't. Its existence is. I don't know. Its existence. I don't know. I don't really know its existence. Its existence. Yeah, you need to deal with Cumulus Gallus in this stage. It's first time appearing in Empress Excavation 3, and later on in Primeval Good Area 19. Primeval Wood Area 19. Wow, that was nuts. 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 I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Yeah, it's hit my base now. What glitch? Odor. Odori. I missed. Doron missed. Well, I should have known that earlier, because Birth of True Man would be interesting. Yeah, I don't know about Birth of True Man, but yeah, it's the former harder stages in 4.0. I just know. Yeah, I just know. Yeah, I just know. In 12.0, I just know. Yeah, its Revo is really not existence everywhere. It's some sort of assistance elsewhere. I don't know. And there we go. Gone. And Doron is not fast enough to reach. Come on. I feel like they are buffed or something. I feel like they are buffed or something. I don't know. That's 2 knockbacks. That's 2 knockbacks. But watch for Arians here. Yeah, I missed. Whoa, no, not miss, not miss. Whoa. Oh my god. You should. No, you shouldn't. Oh, come on, why? Only this is a last knockback. Oh, it's keep. Oh no, Jelly Dumpling keep missing. Yeah, combos get strengthened. Ouch! No, no. Yeah, hit the base. Ah, Jelly Dumpling keep missing. And there we go. That. Okay. Not just hard, but it's very clean. Not just hard, it's very clean. It's very. And now, there's only last stage left. Last stage, I don't know. This stage is obnoxiously difficult. I know that the last stage will be difficult for them. For that. Okay. I changed Dorgar to Stone Cat. Well. Oh, come on. The startup is the most difficult part. If I knew. If I knew, it's the most difficult part. Yeah, I have to. There are 8 arrows, 1 at the base in total. Just, oh no, it's so deadly. This is the third one. There are 8 outbrows in the start off, and yeah. You can survive the start off. It can be possible to survive the start off. I don't know about that. Wait, I don't know about that. Wait, I don't know about that. Here, and then here. Oh, okay. That seems easy to do, but yeah. Repeating start. Stepping stone. Stepping stone. Stepping stone. Nah. Wait, it's survivor hit. Wow. How I can survive that? Great. I don't know that before. I think I could mess up the timing. Okay. Okay. Oh, come on, miss. Anyway, I think Baja Blast is enough for the stage. I think Baja Blast is good in this stage. But you need to complete COTC 3 to get. Oh. Okay. Depleting the star outdoors. Here, man. niche. I don't think about it. Wait. Wait. Ah, shit. That's all. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Okay, don't. Come on. Wait. Better off. Better for a start off. Better for a start off. Ouch. 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 Ouch! 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 There we go, it's so freeze. Well, we ran out of money. We have to manage it carefully. Losers has 4 knockbacks. Hazuku has 3 knockbacks. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. The second step is now a real deal. It's not over yet. The second step is a real deal. Oh, come on. Oh my god, nope. Okay. Whoop. Okay. Okay. Just a few steps to go. I managed to push him far back enough. This stage is just poor how. I managed to push him back far enough. This stage is just poor how. This stage just poor how. This stage just poor how. It's just poor how. I didn't only demonstrate no Uber only. But please don't do that at all. Cause you have UL true form here. I recommended you bear to catch the UL true form. And that's it for the stage. Wow. But please don't do this. It's impossible. Without UL Legend full form, this stage is impossible. No strategy makes me feel so nostalgic. No strategy makes no UL full form. I just don't know. That and there you go. That's it. And that's for it. I will see you next time. Bye. Finally, it's over. Finally, it's over, man. It's over. Wait. I think it's not over yet. Oh. Well, we'll see.